Welcome to Morning Coffee with Mr. Mistake. This is August 7th. It's my birthday. And I'm taking a bath. Let's see. At Burger King. Yeah, you're good. So after we got the show, we're gonna get got tonight. It's my birthday. I figured I'll get a little frisky, but I get a little clean. Make sure it's get all spiced up for you guys. Make sure I'm all clean for the show, you know what I'm saying? Get the jets working with the old BK. It's pimp, like I knew it would be. It's like a hot tub, son. Like the jets are like, it's like a massage on the back. All you need is fucking cold beer. Somebody better bring me a beer. I got beer and a joint. It's my birthday. I think I'm gonna have to stay here until somebody from the first shift gets here though. I'm gonna have to. Make it extra illegal. Come on, you want some eggs, some sausage biscuits, good French toast stick, cinnamon, some stuff on my BK, the dishes will be nice and clean. So, Macy, you should totally go get our manager and tell him I'm really listening. Get on the bill.
Hey Karen, he's in the sink, is that okay? You want to come see? It's pretty funny. You can't see his penis or nothing. So come check it out. Tell him happy birthday. Tell everybody come grab some breakfast. The dishes are real clean. I think he's going to wait for Newman to show up. Ninja Newman.
What you gotta do though is when it's stopped over, you gotta get up and run around the building naked with the sun running on there. You go, oh!
It's our nice sanitized solution bucket.
Gotta get all clean, you know what I'm saying? Can't be doing show dirty. I mean, I might be a scrub. I might not have a shower in my house, but I managed to get clean somehow.
She said it's fine. She doesn't want to come see it. She doesn't want to come see.